Good sized alligator. It's heading this way, coming closer. He must be seeing food. Yeah, I know, it's me. Come on, a little closer. Uh-oh. He went under. I hope he doesn't... Oh, wow. It's going fast. Oh, crap. He's in ambush mode. I better get the hell out of here. He's looking at me. Holy crap. This guy means business. There he is. He's looking at me. Probably thinking of ambushing me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my God. This guy's... he means business. He's hiding under the weeds. I better get out of here. No, you can't see him anymore. He's hiding under the weeds there. I don't know where he's going to pop out from, so I better go. That's it, guys. I'm out of here.